Hey everyone! Looking for the best VPN for gaming in 2025? Want to reduce lag, protect your data, and browse at turbo speed, all for free? In today's video, I'll introduce you to Bolt VPN, Super VPN Proxy, your ultimate solution for fast, secure, and anonymous gaming and browsing. Whether you're into Pubg, Free Fire, Call of Duty Mobile, or TikTok streaming, Bolt VPN gives you that edge with stable ping, ultra-low latency, and complete privacy. Let's get started. Gamers, listen up. Bolt VPN isn't just another proxy app. It's a turbocharged gaming VPN. With Bolt VPN, you get lag-free connections with optimized master servers for gaming, low ping support to help you dominate in online multiplayer games, global server access to unlock region-based game content, AES 256 encryption that secures your connection on public Wi-Fi, especially when gaming on mobile. Whether you're pushing rank in Pubg or playing fast-paced games like Free Fire, Bolt VPN helps reduce lag spikes and improves in-game stability. No more sudden disconnects or rubber banding. Here's why Bolt VPN stands out in 2025. Free turbo speed proxy servers, anonymous browsing and gaming, military-grade AES 256 encryption, dedicated high-performance servers for streaming and gaming, one-tap connection for fast setup, supports both openvpn and shadowsocks protocols, split tunneling to choose which apps use the VPN, real-time IP location view, and built-in internet speed test. Getting started is simple. 1. Open Play Store, search for Bolt VPN, Super VPN Proxy, and hit install. 2. Launch the app. 3. On the homepage, tap the Connect button to view the server list. 4. Choose a server closest to your game's region for the best ping. 5. Tap Connect, and you're online in seconds. 6. To test connection speed, tap the menu icon, then go to Speed Test and click Start. 7. For extra session time or premium features, tap the crown icon to subscribe or start your free trial. Bolt VPN is perfect for gamers, streamers, and anyone who values privacy and speed. Join over 25 million satisfied users who trust Bolt VPN to keep them secure, fast, and connected in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, or if you want more VPN tips and tools, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!